Oh no. That's not a face of life. Do you know what that face represents? And no, it's not Alex's cum face.
It was, but I've got to do the shitter.
Oh no. Oh no, not the shitter. Let's have a look, shall we? Have a look. Ooh. Ah, it smells a bit actually. Ooh. Just got a lung full of shit. Not nice. Especially because it's my shit.
Ooh, fucking hell.
Move over, come on. Oh, look at that. Oh, nice. Oh. Oh. I tattooed my name onto mine, hence the reason why I knew which one was mine. You alright, Moosty?
No.
Why?
I'd only whip my phone.
Yes.
Well, that bad actually.
Yes,
And I didn't get splashed because I can do it properly. For Zig, you're just crap, mate. You're just crap. You're full of crap. Like Clayton.
That's ironic because we're doing the shitter.
Could be worse. Could be full of Alex's shit.
He hasn't quite got it right. Well. No, he's not quite got it right because it's I can smell it, it's hot, it's Alex's shit. Ready? That's how you do it.
Okay. You want me to say it? Okay. I can smell it. It's pork. It's Alex's shit.
Still hasn't got it right, has he? No, he's still shit. Oh! How'd you feel, Moo?
Violated. Raped. And that's before I start even doing the shitter.
Oh dear. Ooh, ooh.
Look at that.
Oh.
Tell you what though. Wouldn't mind a cheeky blowy off Sarah Henderson.
Oh.
Why get on my phone, dickhead?
It's alright, it's not my phone.
Psychopath.
Ah. So, do you feel happy about that?
What?
Was that a good shitter?
Yeah, it was alright. It stinks a bit. Not too bad.
Any more?
Are we, Oh, fucking hell.
Oh dear me. Are we
I don't know.
Oh, he doesn't know.
Soup.
Soup.